visuals. That's the car, we believe, that's the car in which the Sahara chief Subrata Roy has left from the back gate of the Sahara premises. Those are the fresh visuals we are getting here on Times Now. Let's head back to Pranshu, who is joining us from Lucknow. We will try and get Pranshu. He will be connected in just a bit. But Poonam, we are getting fresh visuals right now of the Sahara chief Subrata Roy heading to the Chief Judicial Magistrate. He was set to appear there at 1 p.m. That got postponed to after lunch. The time finally given by the magistrate was 3 p.m. It is now 5:20 p.m. That's when we are seeing a fleet of cars leaving the Sahara premises, heading towards the Chief Judicial Magistrate's court. About half an hour ago, about 4 of his lawyers went there ahead of the Sahara chief. Now the Sahara chief himself, we believe he is in that car, leaving from the back door of the Sahara premises. There was a battery of media and police personnel who were in fact in the front gate of the Sahara premises. But the Sahara chief there leaving from behind, he is appearing before the Chief Judicial Magistrate. Earlier this morning, of course, the Supreme Court turned down his decline to hear his appeal for the recall of the non-bailable warrant, but very, very scathing remarks being, in fact, a hard-hitting remark being made by the Supreme Court on Wednesday when the non-bailable warrant was issued against the Sahara chief, isn't it, Pranshu? We'll try and get Pranshu once again, but Poonam, if I can come back to you while we play out these exclusive visuals on Times Now of the Sahara chief leaving for the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court. We were talking about the Supreme Court's observations and order of the non-bailable warrant. They were very strong, a very, very strong observation made by the Supreme Court on Wednesday when they issued the non-bailable warrant. Poonam?
Absolutely. The non-bailable warrant which was issued by the Supreme Court was on the fact that the non-compliance of the orders of the Supreme Court by Subrata Roy was the fact that is the reason why he was issued this non-bailable warrant. And today, the petition which was filed by the senior lawyers of Subrata Roy, so that a special bench should be formed to hear him. But that too did not happen. It was turned down by the Supreme Court on the ground that this cannot happen and he has to wait. Nonetheless, a tough time is going on for Subrata Roy. In fact, he was supposed to be present in the lower court in Lucknow at around 1 p.m. which he failed. Again, it was postponed to 3 p.m. which also did not happen. And finally, what we are gathering is that at 5:20, finally he appeared before the court.